Hello! Asirin natin siya aning problem na ko dito ha, Facebook. Ano nga ba iya? Yade, z minus 3 over z plus 3 is equal to 8. So atong problem, what is the value of z? We're going to find the value of z. So kapag kasubay ng equation, diretso ko lang niya gina-applyan in multiplication property of equality. Kaya ano, siya adi fraction. So rewrite natin z minus 3 over z plus 3 equals 8. So, both side the equation, gimo-multiply ko lang iya kung ano yung denominator. Z plus 3, both side, multiply naton, z plus 3. Okay, so din yung makakancel iya, ang natura, z minus 3 is equal. Diyan na mga 8, distribute natin sa era. 8 times z is 8z. 8 times positive 3 is positive 24. Ma-apply kita din yung subtraction property of equality. We're going to subtract both side the equation by z. Adi cancel, kay parehas variable, mag-divide sign 0. Negative 3 equals. Didi, 8z minus z. So, may didi 1, 8 minus 1 is 7z. Then, bring down 24. So, then, ma-apply kita yung subtraction property of equality. We're going to subtract both side the equation by 24. So, 24. Then, cancel it ada. Kay pareset number, mag-divide sign that is equal to 0. Ang natura, 7c. So, didi, parehas it iya sign ko kopya ho, i-plus it number. 24 plus 3 is 27. So, ikadinaton. Negative 27 is equal to 7z. So yan na, para makuha ang valuehan z, mag-a-apply kita yung division property of equality. We're going to divide both side the equation kung ano ikatupad z. So yan, makakancel, that is equal to 1. Then, ang natura is z. So, mag-divide to 127 nga dihan 7? No. So, kung diri, wala man niya lowest term, it atong final answer is negative 27 over 7. So, it value it z is equal to negative 27 over 7.